Do you believe that you know every speed reading technique out there, but you are not satisfied with the reading speed? Then this video is just for you. Because in this video, we will cover the exercises which are very important for you to practice to increase your reading speed and comprehension. And these exercises are the eye exercises. Hello everyone, I'm your host S Reader, and in this video, I'm going to teach you speed reading. My current reading speed is 2500 words per minute, so get ready to learn with me. Our first topic is peripheral vision. Peripheral vision is very important and a very useful technique for us to increase our reading speed and comprehension. With peripheral vision, we can read up to 3 to 4 words all together without losing any comprehension at all. So let's begin with how we are going to use peripheral vision and why do we need to train it. So if you are starting with the speed reading technique, then this peripheral vision will be new for you. So let me tell you how we are going to start with it. So we are going to start with reading up 2 to 3 words all together, and then slowly we'll switch up to 4 words, then to 5 words, then to 6 words. And 6 words is the aim that we need to reach. So until we have reached that, relax and keep practicing this peripheral vision. And why do we need this peripheral vision? Well, peripheral vision is very important in speed reading because it is the very basic boost in our reading speed, which increases our reading speed to 200% or 300% depending on your capability. Well, let's start with the exercise. So what you have to do is very simple. In the next window, there will be a dot in the middle of the screen. You have to focus on the dot and letters will appear near the dot. You have to read that letters without looking at them and focus on the dot only, and the level will increase and the space will increase. Oh wow, looks like you completed the exercise. It was fun, right? Now for this exercise, you need to practice it daily for around 2 to 3 times. So let's begin with the second topic, which is called the eye fixation. So let's begin with why do we need to use eye fixation, what is eye fixations, and how we are going to use it, and what is the exercise. Well, eye fixation is a type of exercise which fixes our eyes movement. You see, when we are reading, our eyes are not moving smoothly from one word to another. They are actually jumping from one word to another. So with the eye fixations, what we are doing is training our eyes to jump to fix a spot from where we can use our peripheral vision to read 3 to 4 words together. In this way, our reading speed will increase and we won't lose any comprehension. Now let's begin with the eye fixation training. Well, it is very simple. In the next screen, you will see some blank spaces at some distance. So what you have to do is try to jump your eyes from one blank space to another as fast as you can. And now let's begin. Welcome back. Looks like you have completed the exercise. Well, very well done. You're amazing to come this far and work this hard. Well, keep working that hard so that you can reach your aim And in the next video, I'll cover speed drills, which are very important for reading speed boost and for comprehension boost as well. Because speed drills help our eyes to move quickly and our hands also, and our mind get trained of that speed, so that when you move back to less speed, you will see a phenomenal increase in your reading comprehension and reading speed as well. With that being said, bye bye.